We turn now to Deidre Bosa with that story and the ripple effects it could have in Silicon Valley. Hi, Deidre.
Hey, Kelly, all the drama around 23andMe, that could give startup founders one more reason to stay private or at least reconsider the consequences of founders mode, a narrative that has been sweeping through tech in recent weeks, especially when you have to answer to a public board and shareholders. Now, the CEO and founder of the DNA testing company, Anne Wojcicki, she brought the company public via SPAC just 3 years ago. It has since lost 99.9% of its value from its $6 billion market cap peak. So she decided earlier this year that 23andMe should be private and firmly in her control. She proposed buying back all outstanding shares that she didn't already own. The board rejected that proposal, but she still has enough control to block other potential bidders. It has now culminated with all 7 members of that board resigning and a notice from the Nasdaq threatening to delist the company if she can't replace them by October 3rd. Now, take a look. This is the current webpage of 23andMe's board of directors. It's mighty lonely. Previously, though, it included some of the most important leaders in tech and healthcare. These are just some of them. Sequoia Capital's Roelof Botha, YouTube CEO Neil Mohan, renowned MDs. They were attracted in the first place to Wojcicki's drive to move fast and ship products, pioneering direct-to-consumer genomics. It's founders mode, basically, this whole saga playing out in public with all the scrutiny that goes along with this. Founders mode is something that Brian Chesky popularized recently. He talked about running Airbnb and said that he had to take a step back after becoming a public company and go back to founders mode, remove layers of management, get back in the weeds, run the company the way he wanted to. That notion of founders versus managers has gained a lot of traction with many VCs and founders arguing over the merits. And this saga with 23andMe, another example of how it can play out to its benefit or distress.
Right. I think, Deidre, the big question for everybody is how do you know when you have that superstar founder?
Yeah, and this story still isn't done, right? Because Anne Wojcicki, I don't know, she could perhaps, if she can get the financing, take this company private and maybe turn it around. But that's really been the problem with 23andMe. It was such a viral sensation at one point with Halloween costumes, with celebrities, Oprah herself endorsing it. But there hasn't been a sustainable business model. It's the kind of test that you take once. And Anne Wojcicki had plans to build it into a larger healthcare platform with drug development, with a recurring revenue business. And that just hasn't happened, whether that's because she's had to do so publicly, because she's had a board and shareholders with different priorities. That's still an open question and still an open debate in tech.
Glucose goddess might be one of the biggest things to come out of 23andMe. And she's a great Instagram follow. And actually, the backstory of why she's doing what she's doing is maybe part of what's going on here. Deidre, we'll leave it there for now. Maybe I'll ask her. She's French. Maybe she'll come on the program. Deidre Bosa.